He didn't have a degree in engineering. What he had was something rarer, an instinct for machines, a heart for people, and a dream big enough to shape metal and minds alike. In India, where academic credentials often define credibility, Prabhakar Parthasarathy broke the mold by founding a CNC machining firm without requisite knowledge.
I am not an engineer. I don't know anything about CNC for that matter. So then we said, how can we start? Then we took support of some friends, family friends. They actually guided us in identifying the first machine.
In 2007, with little more than conviction and a blueprint, Parthasarathy began machining, but also a future for his hometown in Pollachi, Tamil Nadu. A company now exporting high-precision components to Europe and partnering with major MNCs.
Basically, I am a people person. So I always, it is not for me, I think what it is for others also. So that actually it started helping. And in fact, our dream is we should not go outside to recruit people. People should come here to join us and work for us.
Through lean practices, a strong people-centric culture, and a dedication to continuous improvement, Parthasarathy has built a successful business and a lasting legacy focused on shared success, employee development, and meaningful growth.